Right, so this is the easiest way I found to do a scrolling screenshot on a Mac, since the macOS screenshot tool doesn't allow you to do it. So install Shotter, download it, drag it to your applications folder. Make sure that in the screen and system audio recording settings that Shotter has access to your Mac. That allows it to take a scrolling screenshot. If this isn't selected, it won't work. You can always deactivate it later when you don't need it, but it's perfectly safe to do so. Just search for screen recording on your settings, system settings, and you'll find it. So then all you do is you go up to the Shotter in the menu bar, and we'll do scrolling capture. We'll use the Shotter website as an example. So you just select the area that you want to record, and it will then scroll down the page when you release. So it's taking the screenshot as it scrolls down. And that's it. There you go. You've got your screenshot, your scrolling screenshot. You can zoom in. It's perfect quality. Everything's there that we requested. The entire page is there. And then you can just simply save it to your Mac.